correctly matched with its one characteristic and the taxon. So duck-billed platypus, millipede, and it is a sea anemone silverfish. If you don't know others, so at least sea anemone you should know, silverfish you should know, so then you can match it easily. Okay, so here the duck-billed platypus you knows. If you don't know the duck-billed, but at least platypus you knows, oviparous, and it is a mammalian. Okay, so correctly matching they are asking, and their taxon also should be correctly matched. Okay, taxon means related to the mammals, and some mammals are oviparous as I told, and they are platypus. That correct, absolutely correct. You can write this name in your NCRT that platypus is a oviparous mammalian. Okay, so let's see the next one if it would be wrong or right. Millipede, ventral nerve cord, Arachidina. If you don't know, no problem, we will see others which we have seen in our NCRT. Sea anemone, they are saying triploblastic, and Nigeria. Nigeria was not having the triploblastic. Okay, so incorrect. So silverfish, pectoral, and the pelvic, and the chordata. Again, example is wrong. Okay, so we will go with the first option, which is absolutely correct. Okay, this is, we are not having the doubt in this first one, but doubt in the second one, so we can go with the without any doubt option. Option number first. Question number 13 is, which one of the following is matching pair of a body feature in the animal possessing it, like ventral heart, post-anal tail, ventral central nervous system, pharyngeal gill slits absent into the embryo. So on the basis of that, if you will try to find the answers. Let's see. So ventral heart, where we have seen ventral heart, we have seen in the scorpion, we have not seen the ventral heart. First of all, it is absolutely incorrect. Okay, post-anal tail, like post-anal tail into the octopus, no. It is a echinodermata. In the echinodermata, we did not see the post-anal tail. Okay, dorsally we have seen. Okay, so ventral central nervous system means ventrally central nervous system. Actually, in the phylum Annelida, we have seen segmented body, right? In the segments, on the basis of the segments, actually we have seen the organs depend upon the segment, that which organ is present into which segment. So in that only we have seen into the pharyngeal area, in which like approximately third and fourth segment, it's not, I'm not sure, but approx third and the fourth segment there would be the pharynx, as well as some ganglionic cells has made the central nervous system. Okay, so ventrally it is present, going from the terminal to the ventral area, not like us we are having the dorsally, and they are actually having the ventral. So that is correct, ventrally central nervous system into the annelida. Okay, so the third option would be the correct one. Okay, and let's see fourth also, pharyngeal gill slits absent in the embryo. They are saying in the chameleon. It is not like that is absent, it would be present. Okay, incorrect. Now let's see question number 14. Which of the following is common amongst the mammals? In the mammals, which would be the correct one? So they undergo no molting. They are having the 7 cervical vertebra. This is common in all the mammals. C7. Okay, C7 we are having, and thoraces we are having the 12, and lumbar we are having the 5, and coccyx as well as the sacrum we are having the 1, means they are fused but 1. Okay, so they are asking for the 7. That is a common feature in all the mammals, so this would be the correct one. Okay, and in the first, no molting, it's not true for all the mammals, and they are carnivores, no, not for all, and they are the ventral nerve cord would be dorsal, not the ventral. Okay, so on this it would be also incorrect. Okay, so we will go with the second option. Then question number 15. Given below ABCD, select the option which correctly stated whether true or the false. Due to the counter current exchange of the gases, fish's gills are efficiently respiratory organ. It is true or the false. Okay, so here is the option, you can match it. Okay, so let's see what they are asking and which one is true, which one will be false. Okay, so here the first one, as I told you, that due to the counter current mechanism, CCM, Okay, exchange of the gases in the fish's gills are efficiently respiratory organ. On that we have seen into the like excretive product, like counter current mechanism or counter current actually was for exchange of the gases. That is what they are doing into the with the help of the gills. That is true. The fishes having the lateral line sense organs on each side of the body containing a series of the sensory cells to detect the vibration generated by the other fishes or the object. That we knows, like if the tsunami is coming or if any situation which is not good for the health under the water, if any under the water or on the land, if any condition is going to come, so in that case the fishes will come on the side, on the beach side. So because they are having actually the terminal sites, like if the fishes are there like this, if they oh sorry, it's not perfect. Okay, so like if they are having the terminal part, they are asking. Okay, so terminal part means these parts, they are having the some linings on the body surface, so they will get actually the vibration from the earth rays. They will get the vibrations from the body lining of their surface. So from here and from here, so they can go on the land side from the ocean. Okay, on the getting any vibrations, so in that case they will go on the land side. Okay, so this is also true. So the puffer, the second most poisonous fish, can swallow the air or the water and swallow like a puff. Because of that means of the defense, actually because of that they are knowing as a puffers fishes. Okay, puffer fishes. So this is also true. This is a memory based question. You should know about the puffer fish, not given in the NCERT, but at least it's for knowledge. Okay, if the question can come, so you should know that why they have given the name puffer. So this is also true. And the exocetus, the pelvic fins are modified into the wing like structure. Okay, pelvic means the hind limb. They are saying hind limb. Hind limb is for walking and climbing, not for the wings. And four limbs was actually we have seen modified into the wings. Four limbs modified into the wings, not the hind limbs. First of all, in this first line itself they had given the wrong statement. It would be false. So fourth D would be the false and remaining three would be correct. Option number fourth. Okay, now let's see the next question, number 16. You have to find out the X and correct diagram given below. Okay, X is what? X is actually the, like we are having the into the fishes, they are having the atrium, ventricle for the heart, and then they are connecting with the gills. Okay, and then to the body parts like this. So let me show you proper. They are having the atrium, then they are having the ventricle, then they are having a connection just like a blood capillary. Okay, then they are having a connection with the body parts, and from different body parts they are having a connection again to the atrium. Okay, so this I am trying to show you as a body parts. Okay, body parts. Okay, these are actually the gills. These are the gills. Okay, so this would be the gills, and this is the atrium, this is the ventricle. So as the deoxygenated blood from the body parts will enter to the atrium, and atrium to the ventricle it will go, atrium to ventricle and ventricle to the gills for the purification. After purification the blood will enter to the body parts, oxygenated blood, and after giving the oxygenation, deoxygenated blood will come to the again to the vena cava and then enter to the right atrium. So heart will receive only the one time deoxygenated blood. Okay, and then the oxygenated blood is actually not coming back to the heart. So that is what the single circulation is present into them, and this part is actually indicating the gills, and here it is indicating the heart. So atrium and then ventricle, this is ventricle, atrium, then gills. Okay, then for the purification oxygen rich blood is going to this body parts. Okay, so what they are asking in the question, what is the, where are the capillaries labeled X is located? It is actually the gills. Okay, so we'll go with the second option. Okay, next question number 17, which is the last question also. Question number 17. Character which exists universally in all the mammals are. In all the mammals, which character is universally present? They are asking. So, presence of the hair on the body. It's not important that all the mammals are having the hair on the body. It will be incorrect. Okay. And presence of the 12 pair of the cranium. This is C12. Okay. Cranial nerves. Okay, in the brain. C12, that is okay, that is for all the mammals. Presence of the muscular fat diaphragm, absolutely correct. Presence of the left systemic arc, absolutely correct. Systemic arc would be there, then only the for the oxygenation and deoxygenation there would be transfer. And pinna and tympanum, pinna is present but tympanum is the characteristic of the amphibian, not for the mammals. Okay, it is a characteristic of the amphibian, so it is incorrect. So B, C, D should be there in the second option given. We'll go with the second option. Okay, so I hope these all questions would be clear to you now, and I hope you have enjoyed the session. So let's meet into the next question practice, that is might be some human reproduction or something else I will bring. Okay, so just one work I have given you, that you have to do the work and send me in the comment, so I will see that whether you are taking these videos serious or